Welcome to your centralized hub for managing all databases on FlyWP. Here, you can easily view existing databases, create new ones, and keep everything perfectly in sync, all from one place. To create a custom database, click Create Database. Give your new database a clear, descriptive name. You can assign a user and set their password right here. Once done, click to bring your new database to life. After creating a custom database, don't forget to update your WordPress site's WP config with the new database credentials for proper access. To create a new database user, click the Create User button. Now, choose a clear, unique username, set a strong password, or use our password generator for added security then. Select which databases they can access if you want to grant access to all databases. Just check the All Databases option, or you want to share specific site database access, choose accordingly. Click Add User to complete. Now, do you want to share access to a specific site's database with a team member? No need to share root credentials anymore. Keep things secure by assigning access to just the database they need. Simply, select the user, choose the site's assigned database, and give them access with one click. To sync your databases for your old site, simply click the Sync Database button to make sure you're seeing the most up-to-date list. Any new site you create will appear here automatically. Need help? You can always find step-by-step guidance in our documentation.